Well, I'm kind of parked. Hopefully you can, I mean, look at that, see it? See it on the ground in front of me? That's hail coming down. I'm about 3 miles from the plant, up here just north of Monroeville, but I kind of backed out of driving in this because of the hail coming down and hitting the truck. Figured I'd try to wait it out a little bit, see if the hail blows away a little bit, because you can see it on the ground. And so I can get a close up of that. See all that white stuff? That's hail. It's coming down. There's some more of it right there. Down that road right there is where I gotta go, but I'm kind of hanging off of it right now. I guess I call this town, what do they call this? It still says Monroeville. Oh, here comes some more, but maybe that's just heavy rain. No, it might be a little hail hitting the truck on the passenger side. See, I'm not the only one that's kind of waiting it out. There's a couple cars way over there. I don't know if you can see them right over that area. And then they got two next to me. We're just kind of waiting it out. That's some pretty good sized hail coming down. I don't know if you can see the granules. I mean, look at the size of them. That's pretty good size. Got so bad I lost signal on the radio. It took out my internet radio I was listening to.